Hello friends, I hope you are quite well, and here three different categories: pack, fast flare, mockup and CV resume. All files are in PSD, AI and APS, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sheri.skpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, and here flare just for social media and in BST file. Here is CV resume. These files are Adobe Illustrator and these are Photoshop. Abstract portrait certificate for Adobe Illustrator and one for Photoshop. Flare social media specification. You can import your poster or your company detail. Okay, and here freelance graphic designer CV. These for Photoshop and these for Adobe Illustrator. Same thing here. Party flare, heavy truck mockup. You can import your company or your brand in this mockup. Here products gearbox, PSD, a software box, Soaks mockup 1 and Soaks mockup 2. Here soda can mockup, travel tour flare 2024, Umrah flare, and last corporate flare. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of this.